In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your contacts from ShortStack. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log in. Then you're going to go over here to Lists and Entries. And here you have your live entries. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. And you can see your entries. So I'm going to check the box right here at the corner. And then I'm going to click on Export. It's going to ask me which ones do I want. I want them all. I want them in a comma separated value, a CSV file, which is an Excel format. I want all fields, and I want to email it to me. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Export. And it's going to go ahead and prepare it, and then they're going to email me a link, in which case I'm going to download the file. And they give you a handy little article. So now I'm going to go back to my lists and entries, and I'm going to click on these 52. And I'm going to check the box and click on Export. Again, export all, CSV, only visible field, or all fields rather, and export. Now, you'll notice before I do this, these ones have photos as well. So we want both of those. So I'm going to export and I'm going to do everything. Then I'm going to do the same thing, check the box. Got to make sure you check the box. Export. And I'm going to choose images this time. And we'll do all fields. Now I'll have that as well, so I'll have all the images. Now, if you only wanted to export one at a time, you could just, or just maybe a couple, maybe you only wanted to export a certain number of them, you can just check the ones you want to export and then click Export, and it will export them all for you. The next thing is you're going to get an email. The email is going to have a link. You're going to click on the link and it'll download the file for you. And you can open the CSV file in Excel, and the images will just be in a zip. And that's it.
Yeah, pero yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah.